You know that when it comes to the living world, we come across strange creatures. Plants as well as animals amaze us. These plants, which sometimes resemble a monkey and sometimes an insect, attract everyone's attention thanks to their special appearance. We researched and wrote about plants that are strange and some of them poisonous, which may or may not resemble a different creature in appearance. Here are some strange plants that you can't hide from being surprised when you see them. If you like the video, you can press the like button and subscribe to be notified of new videos. Let's get started. Rafflesia. This plant, which looks like a female wasp, attracts male bees thanks to its appearance. In this way, pollen transfer takes place. In addition, this particular herb attracts drones by emitting a scent similar to that of a female bee. It is mostly found in Northern Europe, North Africa and the Middle East. Culna major. Found in eastern and southern Australia, this peculiar plant resembles a flying duck. It is a small and difficult to spot species. This plant, which emerges in September to December, attracts male flies and provides pollination. Peristeria Elata. Peristeria Elata, also called the Holy Spirit flower, produces dove-like flowers. It grows mostly in Central America, Ecuador, and Venezuela. It is in danger of extinction because of the people who turn this business into commerce. Additionally, it is the national flower of the Republic of Panama. Aphrys insectivora. Resembling tiny flies, Aphrys insectivora attracts bees and flies with its special appearance. In addition, it also attracts male creatures by emitting a special female scent. Said to have a nutritious root, this herb can be used in cooking and is mostly grown in Europe. Dracula Semia. This strange plant, which is likened to Dracula or a monkey, is often mistaken for Photoshop. Growing in the mountains of Ecuador, Colombia, and Peru, this herb smells like a ripe orange. Clathrus archery. Clathrus archery, also known as devil's fingers, grows in Australia and New Zealand. Of course, it is also grown in Europe, North America and Asia today. With 4 to 8 branches, this herb is sticky and foul-smelling. Thanks to this smell, it attracts flies. Although it can be eaten in some stages, it is usually poisonous. Phalaenopsis. Similar to a flying moth, Phalaenopsis is often grown indoors and blooms frequently throughout the year. It is an easy care plant and grows quickly. Although it is traded all over the world today, it is actually native to South Asian countries and Australia. Cristea vespertilianis. These butterfly-like flowers usually grow in Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, China, and Malaysia. It has also been seen in coastal areas such as Fiji and Jamaica. It is referred to as a medicinal plant by some communities. Impatiens Citatina. The parrot flower, which is considered one of the most beautiful flowers in the world, consists of purple and red colors. It grows in Thailand, Burma, and India. It is a difficult and rare plant to grow. As it is a protected species, it is prohibited to be taken outside of Thailand. Peristeria Elata. Growing in China, Japan, Korea, and Russia, this pleasant plant resembles a bird also known as a egret. It would not be an exaggeration to say that Peristeria Elata, which is endangered due to habitat destruction and overcollecting, fascinates those who see it. Corpse flower or Anaphophallus titanium. It is the plant with the worst smell in the world. It is also called corpse flower because of its foul smell. The plant, whose Latin name is Anaphophallus titanium, can reach up to 3 meters in height. The plant emits a rotting flesh-like odor as it blooms. The corpse flower actually emits a foul odor to mimic a dead animal. Thus, it attracts flies that feed on carrion. The corpse flower is often seen in the rainforests of Sumatra Island. Amazon lily or Victoria amazonica. Named in honor of England's Queen Victoria, the giant plant lives on the Amazon River and can carry objects weighing up to 35 kilograms. In the wild, their diameter can reach up to 3 meters. Its roots can go down to 8 meters below the water. The flowers of the plant are also huge. They can have a diameter of 40 centimeters and are usually pollinated by insects. Whistling thorn or Vachelia drepanalobium. This plant whistles with its spines to keep animals away. They help each other with the ants, even though they kidnap the animals from him in order not to be harmed. Ants build nests by making holes in the balls inside the spines. The holes make whistling sounds that should keep animals away from the branches and leaves of the plant. It is mostly seen on the African continent. Sandbox tree or Horicons. Found in the Amazon forests of North and South America, this tree doesn't want anyone to climb up or come near it. Therefore, its trunk is covered with thorns. In fact, when faced with any threat, it can explode its fruits like dynamite and damage its surroundings. For this reason, it is also known as the dynamite tree. The locals get the poison they need to make poison arrows from this tree. Subrigular or Impatiens. There are about 120 species of subrigales spread in the Far East, especially in the Philippines. They hunt insects with their leaves. Known for eating insects, the subridae can sometimes eat small birds, frogs or reptiles. Rafflesia Arnoldi. Rafflesia Arnoldi, the world's tallest flower, can be seen in Indonesia's Sumatra and Borneo Islands and in Khao Sok National Park in Thailand. The lifespan of this plant, which is a short lifespan compared to its size, is only 2 weeks. Rafflesia, whose petals are around 1 meter long, is a flower without seeds. In other words, it occurs when there is enough heat and water as a parasite on the roots of the trees. Since it is very difficult to form, the flower is equally difficult to see. It emits a foul odor to attract flesh-eating flies. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is one of the tallest flowering trees in the world. Eucalyptus trees are used to dry the swamps because they can hold a high amount of water in their bodies and can grow rapidly. Cineole, an essential oil obtained from its leaves, is as flammable as it is volatile. For this reason, it is said that it can cause a fire hazard. The homeland of eucalyptus trees is Australia. Dear viewers, these are the information we have prepared about the strangest plants. If you liked the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.